Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off notification reminders on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02 and settings, go to notifications. And notifications, go to advanced settings. And okay guys, here in advanced settings, okay, you can see the notification reminders. And okay guys, on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn on the notification reminders on your Samsung Galaxy A02, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this notification reminders. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on the notification reminders. And okay guys, after that, okay, you can tap the notification reminders and you can set the remind time. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the remind every and select the minutes you want to set in your remind time. And also, you can select the application to get reminders for. Okay. And okay guys, to turn off again the notification reminders, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, I decide to turn on the notification reminders on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off the notification reminders on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.